people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us to share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct story. That we dey carry come for una for here. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, this Alex Uti, the Abia state governor, the people's governor, hey, he is at it again, oh, hey. Make una go see the work wey this man don dey do for Abia state. In fact, Abia state people don dey celebrate, no be small. They don officially flag off the road wey they wan do, Aba Port Harcourt road. Make una no be small thing, no. This man is really trying. Anyway, I will leave una watch the video and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video.